Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is a weekend vlog of us going to St. Louis. This video will be a two-part series because I had so much to see and do. I hope you guys enjoy. To the new viewers, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
What you keep watching with Father's Day?
Not a damn thing. He ain't my daddy. He is not my daddy. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on our way to St. Louis. Say hi, Walter.
Hello.
Hey guys, it is like 5:30 in the a.m. This is where, sorry, we got in too late for me to do a room tour. So, I mean, when I come to St. Louis, you guys pretty much know, I stay pretty much in the same hotels downtown. It's either the Hyatt Regency, Embassy Suites, Hampton Inn. They're always the same, and they look the same, and you guys probably seen them several times if you've been following me for years, like pretty much following my Instagram, because you know I pretty much post when I'm traveling a lot on my Instagram. However, I am doing this thing I'm trying to get more active on my YouTube channel. So let me show you guys the backdrop. I don't think I can get me and the arch in the same view. However, we'll just look at outside. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it back so I can get this early daylight on my face. Look at my face. I've been doing skincare a lot lately, so yeah. And I'm traveling with the same two annoying, stinky people. And like I said, the same annoying, stinky people, Walter and grandmother. So yeah, we're about to get on up out of here so I can drop her off at my mother's house. It's like you dropping your baby off at your mama's house. I ain't dropping my baby off. I'm dropping my grandma off. Not my baby, it's my grandma. My grandma. Going to go sit with my mama. All right. So I'll see you guys in the car. Hey guys, so we're on our way to my parents' house. We have to go through a lot of detours, like they have a whole bunch of construction. It just seemed like there's always a lot of construction. Hey, there's Caller Ride. Did you see that was Caller Ride? I have a card to use Caller caller ride still. I gotta find my card, but yeah, I get caller ride, I think. You think we should go get her some White Castles?
No, she's sleeping this morning. We get it back to get her some.
Boy, and them probably fix her something to eat.
I think she will. I think she.
I'll say good morning,
Look,
Walter.
Good morning. She laid down already.
She grandmother back there, y'all. Quite annoying. Quite annoying.
She wasn't you waking up at the neighbors singing this morning.
I sure was trying to get myself up so we can get to this daggone facility. I hate coming down here because I just hope this be an easy transition today. I just really hope it be an easy transition. Ain't these the people that's ready to go home or something like that?
What's that?
This facility.
Yeah.
People on their way to going home to their family, I guess.
They're more relaxed, not strict.
I just hope it's a calm we be able to both. I pray, dear God, I pray that we are able to get in there with no problems. Actually, I'm so sorry. Lord, thank you for waking me and Walter up this morning with our mind stayed on you. Thank you for getting us to St. Louis safely with no problems, dear God. Thank you for all that you do for us. Thank you for looking over my family that's in Arkansas. And thank you.
To merge onto I-170
Amen.
to Cargo City.
Anything to say, Walter? Where's it got you going?
Man, I usually get off right there, but maybe construction goes on.
You usually get off right where?
Right there.
Did you?
Construction. I mean, you say go a different way.
Oh. You're probably going down to Airport Road.
Yeah. So much construction going on. It's probably something going on there.
Alrighty. Hey, you guys, we are now at my mother's house. So we're about to drop my grandma off. And then after we drop her off, we're going to start heading on down or heading over to the prison. So, yep, I'll see you guys once we make it to the prison.
Nah, you good.
We're at Chick-fil-A. We ordered us something to eat at Chick-fil-A. They're just not giving it to us. Yay! So, yeah, are we in Bowling? We're not in Bowling yet, are we?
No.
We're in
Winsville.
Oh, God, Winsville has really came up. This used to be nothing here but... It wasn't even trees. It was just field.
Oh, no. They got Dickies, Sports Academy, all kinds of stuff over here.
Yeah. So you want to go ahead and eat our food?
You good?
Cause we got till 9 o'clock.
That's right. You can't get on the grounds.
You can't even get on the grounds until 9. You want to go ahead and just eat our food right now?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull over.
Yeah, so we're just gonna eat our food, and then after we eat our food, we'll go get back on the road. On the road again. But yeah, but we did wake up in enough time, right?
Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route.
So yeah, I don't know how to have this stand up. I need something to put on the behind there. There we go. There we go. I had to jank it up somehow. It's janky. We really didn't need this many Chick-fil-A sauces. FYI. Ooh, turn that music off like before they can have no music on. We really didn't need 8 Chick-fil-A sauces. That's gonna go to the trash. I don't even know why she gave us. Oh, it's for the bowl. Yeah, my bad. It is for the bowl. But you know I have Chick-fil-A sauce for my bowl. I forgot. You didn't want to get them no hash browns? What you get to eat? The minis? I take it. That's for you. We did not need 8 Chick-fil-A sauces. Barely needed 2. Barely needed 2. I need a trash bag. So where I throw my trash. I need a trash bag, sir.
You put it up there, we'll throw it away.
Don't worry about it. I knew it was gonna be some bullshit. I knew it was gonna be some bull.
You right, Carly. So
I knew it was gonna be some bull, and you know I'm OCD.
Yeah, that did.
Shut up. Tell me some handle it. They don't even what that go to? What that go with? What sentence does that go with?
Wherever you want to, Carly.
Shoot, that's so. She sounds so stupid. They don't even go with nothing.
You right, Carly.
I know I'm right. You ain't got to tell me I'm right. I already know I'm right. You ain't got to tell me I'm right.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What the hell they go with? You're just greedy.
You want to eat all the time, talking about greedy. Yeah, I didn't have about sauce.
When do I eat all the time? Tell me when I eat all the time.
I need about sauce. I'm having a meltdown. My glucometer, whatever you call it, glucose is going crashing. Something you saying. You funny. You funny. I eat my mayo.
Hey you guys, we are back. Walter and I, we're on our way back to St. Louis. We just got through visiting my brother, so it was a good visit. What you think, Walter?
Yes, we had a good time. We talked to him about life, things, different stuff, past, present, future.
Yeah, it was good. I think it was a good visit because I think the last time I visited him, it wasn't a good visit. I think I wilded out, and
No, y'all both talked about things in the past and present and broke down, but this time everybody left out laughing, giggling, and we still talk about things, how to better yourself, us and him both.